I'm Gusakov, Nomad Futurist, here with James Betts. What I want to know in less than a minute, what is so important about mission-critical cooling?
That's a great question, and there's a lot of answers to that question, but I think we should define what is mission critical. Now, if I look at my nieces and nephews and they can't get online, that's mission critical to them. But for our customers and other cooling manufacturers' customers, mission critical is 24/7 uptime, no downtime. Now, everybody's totally panicked now with the idea of AI cooling, where the rack can go from 0 to 1,000,000 degrees in about a tenth of a second. How are we going to get past that? I don't know. We're talking about 250 to 500 kilowatts a cabinet. That's enough to melt, I think, a ton of copper, 500 kW. So what does it mean to us? It means providing a complete solution to the customer, whether it's chillers on the roof, fan walls, cray units, liquid cooling, CDUs, immersion, or the overlying software. We want to make it right with the customer.